Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I installed that wig you guys seen previously. But first things first, let's unbox and see what I got. So today I'm working with Isee hair company, and I'm just showing you guys what I received in my package. So I got a wig cap, I got an instructions sheet that I'm showing you guys. We got this replacement accessories envelope, so this just has extra stuff that already comes in the wig, and of course the wig itself. So this is their Yaki straight texture. It is a 9x6 Tpart wig. So I'm just showing you guys inside the wig, all the combs. It has a non-slip grip right at the back. It has this drawstring. It's an invisible strap as well. So you just use that piece and pull it. Super easy to put on. It also comes with this adjustable band that you can adjust to your head, and you could also remove it. So this is how the hair is looking. This is 20 inches, guys. It is a wear and go layered cut bob. So if you guys are interested, let's get straight into this install. So first things first, my hair was already braided straight back, so you just want to make sure your hair is braided in some flat braids. But next, like always, I use my Got2b free spray to just push back any hairs that might be in the way. So you just want to make sure your hairline is cleared from any hair. So now I am going in with my concealer, and I'm just spreading that on the closure portion of the wig. So I'm just showing you, I am using that comb at the back of the wig to stick in the back of my head, right in the middle. This just allows me to make sure the wig is sitting right. So you just want to pull it right up after, and this is how it looks. So as you can see, it's fitting a little big. It's not snug on my head. The lace, you can very much see it, but I'm telling you guys, when you pull this strap right here, this adjustable strap, the lace was no longer lifted. I couldn't believe it. I was just like, yeah, you got me here. Like, you definitely got me here. And this is literally a wear and go. Like, you can put it on, take it off anytime you want. Look at me shaking my head. Like, it's not going anywhere. But I just had to show you guys, of course. Yeah, there's no glue here. There is no glue. There's no spray. We just put it on and pulled the strap at the back of the wig. So now I'm just going in with my Dax and my argan oil, spreading that all over the hair because we are gonna go ahead and flat iron it. I did decide that before I went in and flat ironed it though, I am gonna just give you guys a closer look as to what I'm doing. I am just pulling that small bead right up until it can't go any further, and sticking that string up into the wig so you don't see it. But anyways, let's get into the flat iron. I'm just parting it in sections and going in with my Babeless Pro Nano Titanium. This is the 3000 flat iron, my favorite flat iron of all times, guys. But yeah, we're just going in sections and straightening the hair. So as I said earlier, this is their Yaki straight texture, and this texture definitely gives your natural hair texture. Like, I'm telling you, people see me. I wore this hair for my birthday. You guys can see the balloons in the back. People see me and thought it was my natural hair, and I cut my hair. People are looking at me like, why did you cut your hair? But guys, it's a wig. It's a wig, and it literally looks super natural. So once I finished straightening the hair, this is basically how it was looking. You see the nice face framing layers. Like, yeah, I was feeling it already. I'm just like, guys, this was just a put on and go. I decided I was gonna use my Ebon spray and spray down the lace because, as I said earlier, I did record this the day of my birthday, so I just wanted to make sure it was nice and holding me all live long day. But yeah, so I just went in and melted the lace a little bit more. And once I did that, I decided I was going to go in with my wax stick and my hot comb and just press down the hair. I wasn't sure at this point if it was going to make a difference using the hot comb and wax stick, but stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys it actually did make a bit of a difference if you care. Some people don't care, and by all means, you can wear it as is, but I like going that extra mile. So I went ahead and did this step and I seen the difference and I loved it even more after this. So I did curl the face framing layers in a bit more, but you guys comment down below, let me know if you guys see the difference, because there was definitely a difference. So I went ahead and did the same exact thing on the other side. This is like the wefts, like there is no tracks where I started, but trust me guys, it makes the difference. And of course, because I wanted more emphasis on the little layers at the front, I went ahead and curled it in a bit so it basically just stands out, like how you seen when I did the first side compared to the side that wasn't done. I feel like you've seen the difference, so I just went ahead, did that again because I absolutely loved it. If you guys don't know how to cut layers, layers is a big thing right now. It is in every girl is cutting layers. This is a good start, absolutely good start. Didn't have to do anything, never used any scissors. The wig came like this. The wig came just like this. So I was absolutely loving it, couldn't believe it, straight out the box. So if you guys like this wig as much as I like it, be sure to check out Isee Hair Company. All the details will be down in my description box below, so you guys can go ahead, click the link. I promise you guys, you will not regret this. Like, this wig this year is #1 on my list right now. So yeah, make sure you like this video, comment down below, let me know what you think of it. If you've tried this wig already, let me know. Like, let's be transparent, because I'm telling you, I do not have anything bad to say about this unit right here. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. As I said before, like this video, send it to your friends, send it to your family members. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.